Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back doing a extreme clean with me. I am working on my refrigerator today. I was headed to the market and I was like, let me go ahead and clean out my refrigerator first. It had got so bad. I hadn't cleaned it out probably within like over 2 weeks, and it was just like really messy for me, just like getting carry-outs and just throwing stuff in the refrigerator. So I decided to go ahead and record this video because I love watching videos like this, and I wanted to give you guys some sort of cleaning motivation, just like other videos like this give me cleaning motivation. By the way, if you are new to my channel, my name is Jamira and I make videos on motherhood. I am into weight loss, on a weight loss journey right now. I am a fiance, a stay-at-home mom at the time, and I vlog and do all sorts of good stuff on my channel. So if that sounds good to you, I would love for you to go ahead and subscribe and join me here. And yeah, so let's get into cleaning this refrigerator out.
Say goodbye yet. Can I change your mind? 'Cause I don't think we're finished until I cross the line. 'Cause I can't let you go. I want you to know that I will make you mine. 'Cause I can't let you go. I want you to know that I will make you mine. So before we dive in deeper, I wanna get to know you well, and the only thing that's better is you and me together for real,
So here is some of the stuff that was in the refrigerator that was still good. The date was still good. I hadn't used, or just stuff that I was using that I didn't want to throw away. So I just put it here on my dining room table. And I also went to Family Dollar and bought some of these clear containers. I think they were like $4 a piece. I think they were $4 or $5 a piece. But it was like a bigger container, and this one right here is like a smaller, slimmer container. I can put like cheeses and stuff in. I don't know exactly what I'm going to put in them, but you guys will see it in this video. And this one is an egg container. I always wanted one of these, the egg holders, but I never could find one, so I found one and it was only $4. So yep, that's what I have. And this is the stuff I'm going to be cleaning with. I have some awesome, this works really wonders. I'm not sure if this is good to go in my refrigerator or not, I don't know, but of course I have to have some Clorox disinfectant wipes. I love this Dawn Power Wash spray in the apple crisp scent, and it smells so good. It's a dish spray. It smells so good. I will never stop using it. I bought multiple more. And also Pine Sol surface cleaner in the lemon scent. So as you can see, I was really due for a cleaning with my refrigerator. I can't even believe it got this nasty. So basically, the brown stuff is like barbecue sauce that spilled out at the bottom, and it was just like messy. So I was kind of actually excited to film this video because this was really exciting to me because I knew I needed to clean out this. Wash everything and put it back in the refrigerator.
I can't take it. I wish I get away from here. Never back to this. It's all I wanted, and also forget about you. 'Cause what you did is not that cool.
So I was really feeling the way this egg holder looked. It made me feel like I was fancy or something. Made me feel just like real organized. And I love the other container. I placed all my cheeses. And here I placed all of my yogurt. And I just really love the way the ending turned out. It really looked organized. And this is the end of it here. I just had everything separated into like a category. My freezer, I actually recorded me cleaning out my freezer, y'all, and I made a mistake and deleted the clip, but you guys see how it looked before, and this is an after. So yeah, by the way, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I hope I gave you guys some cleaning motivation. And yeah, just stay tuned for more cleaning videos coming up because I am on a cleaning spree. By the way, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.
We should get away from here, never back to this. It's all I wanted, and I'm so